In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align bottom objects in Miro. Miro is a fantastic collaborative online platform used by teams worldwide for brainstorming, planning, and creative projects. One of the many helpful features it offers is the ability to align objects to improve the organization and visual harmony of your board. Whether you're working on a presentation, a diagram, or organizing your ideas visually, aligning objects can make your work look neat and professional. So let's dive in and go through this step-by-step process. First, let's start by selecting the object that you want to use as a reference for your alignment. Imagine you're diving into a canvas filled with ideas and images, and among your collection, there's an item highlighted that needs to be realigned to match the rest. Click on it to select it, and you'll notice it's highlighted, indicating it's ready to be moved or adjusted. This initial step is crucial as it establishes the reference point for your alignment. Next, once your object is selected, you need to navigate to the toolbar where the alignment options are located. On the toolbar, you'll see an option that says Align Objects. Go ahead and click on this. The Align Objects feature in Miro is incredibly handy. With the click of a button, you can align your selected objects in various positions: top, middle, bottom, left, center, or right. Here you'll be presented with a set of choices that makes organizing your elements straightforward. Finally, to complete our task, you're going to select Align Bottom. As you click this option, watch as your objects gracefully shift to line up along the bottom margin of your highlighted object. You might be surprised by how this small adjustment can bring cohesion and orderliness to your canvas, enhancing the clarity and impact of your presentation or design. Remember, aligning objects in Miro not only beautifies your board, but also helps in maintaining structure and balance, making it easier for your team to understand and engage with your content. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to align bottom objects in Miro. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your work into a more polished and professional-looking masterpiece. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you. Make sure to explore other alignment options as well, as each can bring different facets of organization to your work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on using Miro and other exciting digital tools.